As stated on the World Economic Forum's website, Ripple is now a recognized partner. This gives XRP even more legitimacy and dependability. Klaus Schwab, a German engineer and economist, established WEF on January 24, 1971. WEF has its headquarters in Switzerland. According to the WEF, the relationship with Ripple will let governments, companies, and consumers participate in the new digital economy by developing and enabling future use cases. Throughout the summer, Ripple also displayed enormous social media popularity, as well as a surge in comments and conversations. Increased interest in social media has frequently led to profitable possibilities for stocks and cryptocurrencies. Despite its enormous popularity, XRP cannot benefit from excessive social media hype. On August 19, the cryptocurrency fell 10% as a result of a decline in the parallel declining channel. The cause of the frenetic sell-off was the bearish cross, which approached 37 cents and pushed through both the 8-day and 21-day simple moving averages. It is not surprising that the World Economic Forum and Ripple have partnered. With its cutting-edge payment techniques, Ripple has established a name for itself in the global financial system. Utilizing this remedy. To take advantage of the technology for immediate cross-border payments, Ripple has worked with a number of banks and other financial organizations. Organizations like Tranquilo, SBINS, SBI Asia Finchi, the National Bank of Australia and AB, the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, CIBC, and many others have used Ripple for international payments. The Tranquilo blockchain platform is what the Ripple blockchain startup needs to rule the Southeast payment market. When Ripple Labs revealed in 2015 that the World Economic Forum had named them technology partners in recognition of their work on distributed ledger technology, the news attracted attention. While it wants to accomplish the same in Eastern Europe through its relationship with Vinci. As stated on its website, Ripple is now an official partner of the World Economic Forum, which has given XRP an even greater reputation for excellence and dependability. On the WEF website, Ripple is featured and identified as an official partner. This is not remarkable considering that the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, took part in a panel at WEF 2022, which was hosted in Switzerland. The latest advancements made by the XRP ecosystem and the Ripple team are astonishing. To find out more about the fascinating details, watch this video. According to WEF, Ripple creates and supports potential use cases that will power the next digital economy for consumers, businesses, and governments. This is a significant development for Ripple, as WEF is a well-known organization with a presence around the world. Through this new cooperation with the blockchain business, Ripple hopes to raise awareness and promote its revolutionary technology around the globe. According to WEF, Ripple is acting in this way because the internet has made it possible for knowledge to spread instantly and continuously throughout the world. Throughout the summer, Ripple has also demonstrated enormous social media appeal, as seen by a rise in comments and conversations. Up until 2020. In research published by the WEF, it was revealed that central banks and governmental organizations were considering CBDC's ability to address persistent global financial issues like financial inclusion and stable payment networks. The Geneva-based international organization has also made it clear how CBDCs differ from cryptocurrencies. According to them, a CBDC is a digital representation of a sovereign currency that was developed and issued by the nation's governmental and monetary authority. CBDCs are distinct from other digital or virtual currencies, such as stable coins and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are not issued by central banks or typically regarded as legal money. WEF has made an effort to clearly distinguish between the two types of digital assets. Financial institutions may trade in real time using the digital asset XRP across numerous worldwide markets, and the report rated it the most suitable cryptocurrency in the wholesale CBDC industry for internal or interbank payments and settlements. A direct CBDC exchange might be supported by such a solution via the on-demand liquidity service of Ripple Nets. Because XRP is the fastest, cheapest, and most scalable digital asset compared to other assets, it is the greatest asset to swiftly and effectively link to many currencies. The WEF 2022 discussion was attended by the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, and it is anticipated that the two organizations will soon collaborate. At the conference, Garlinghouse spoke on a variety of subjects, including the status of cryptocurrency regulation in the U.S. It makes sense that Ripple is a partner of the WEF. The worldwide financial industry has taken notice of Ripple because of its effective payment method. Many financial institutions, including banks, have teamed with Ripple to exploit the technology for instant cross-border transactions as a result of this solution. Below payments Australian National Bank, Canadian Royal Bank of Commerce, Finchy, Serene SBI among many other fintech businesses, Asia and the National Bank of Canada use Ripple for cross-border payments. Finchy will assist the blockchain firm in dominating the Eastern European payments business, much like how Tranquilo helped Ripple dominate the Southeast Asian payments market. Recall that Ripple Labs declared in 2015 that the World Economic Forum had recognized their distributed ledger technology as a technological trailblazer. The business that originated the digital assets, Ripple, and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, are currently engaged in a court battle over the digital token XRP. After the SEC charged Ripple with marketing unregistered securities, the case will be heard in court in December 2020. Both sides disagree on several aspects, and the conclusion of the case will probably have a big impact on the entire cryptocurrency sector. Supporters of Ripple have stated that XRP is not a security and that the SEC is acting outside of its legal authority. They assert that this case might establish a norm that restricts industrial innovation. In the meanwhile, investors should exercise caution when buying on the downside, with the cryptocurrency's target range being close to 28 or 24 cents. At the time of publication, the price of XRP was down 3 percentage points, or 33.84 cents, according to the CoinMarketCap. Once the 48-cent threshold at the bearish thesis for XRP disabled has been placed and is crossed, a rally with the goal of exceeding $1 is then achievable. The decline in the price of Bitcoin, which has been occurring since last week as a result of numerous liquidations in the cryptocurrency market, has had an impact on the price of XRP. Massive liquidations of XRP have reached 1,586,572 units since the previous day. On the daily chart, the token's price decline also results in a fall in trading volume. On August 19, XRP experienced a double-digit decline, breaching the narrow range recorded since July 31. The RSI for XRP has also attempted to break the 50 neutral zones, which are now labeled as 38. The MFI is at 39 as well. Since the beginning of August, there has been a significant network outage for Ripple, and over the last 2 days, XRP transactions have decreased by 31%. The argument about the value of digital money for remittances is comparable to Jeremy and Brad's conflict over Circle and Ripple. Due to this, the two CEOs of Circle and Ripple are cited in the critical conversation. First, Circle and Ripple are the two companies that developed the USDC stablecoin and the XRP cryptocurrency, respectively. The Digital Currency Governance Association was introduced by WEF during its annual conference in Davos, Switzerland. A global coalition led by the World Economic Forum has been formed to develop a regulatory framework for digital currencies, including government-backed stable coins pegged to single currency assets such as yen, euros, and dollars. The initiative's central guiding principle is that only adequately regulated currencies can open the door to financial inclusion. The majority of virtual currency businesses, including Bitcoin, support financial inclusion with the aim of enabling the world's underbanked, cash-dependent, and occasionally unidentifiable populations to join in the established economic system. The consortium's inclusion of businesses, financial institutions, governmental representatives, technology specialists, academia, international organizations, NGOs, and trade fair participants is another intriguing aspect. The identity of Klaus Schwab, the person, remains unknown. He is the organization's founder and executive chairman. He claimed that the forum is particularly interested in cryptocurrencies, describing them as a problem involving a variety of sectors, roles, and geographical areas that demands their engagement. In addition to various financial institutions, leaders in the blockchain industry, including Joe Lubin, founder of Consensus, David Marcus, founder of Wallets Calibra, and Neha Narula, director of the MIT Digital Currency Initiative, have praised the program. We look forward to continuing this positive conversation and concur that strict regulation is necessary for the creation and secure adoption of digital currency platforms. Please share your opinions with us in the comment area. And be sure to click the subscribe button to remain informed.